Hey, I'm Michael. I'm the founder of Westa. This is the pocket knife I have with me on almost every camping trip. It's got a great pocket clip on it that keeps it in reach whenever I need it. And I always wondered why nobody put one on a phone. So I bought a 3D printer, I taught myself CAD, and I started making them. This is where we started, pretty crude, but this is where we are now. This is the Westa Clip. It's a universal fit, multi-function pocket clip grip and kickstand for your phone. It fits a variety of cases. It uses a high-strength adhesive. You just stick it on your case and you're ready to go. It's a great pocket clip. You can put it in a pants pocket or in a bag. It's also a grip. You can put your middle finger in the ring, your pointer finger on the inside, or wrapped around the outside. The idea here is that if you hold your phone by its center, it puts most of your screen in reach with one hand. It also makes it a breeze to flip between landscape and portrait. Finally, it's a kickstand. Push this little button on the side, lift the lever up until it locks into place, and you can put your phone up in landscape. This is great if you're working from home like me. You can use it for meetings or just to chill out and watch videos. Or you can put it up in portrait. This is great for FaceTime or maybe as a second screen for your computer. When you're done, push the button again, close the lever, and you are back in clip and grip mode. It comes in 5 great colors: cool gray, matte rose, ivy green, bay blue, and ink black. Now more than ever, we're relying on digital experiences to connect, to work, and to entertain. And I hope that the Westa Clip can enhance some of those experiences for you. And I also hope you can back our project. Thanks so much for checking us out. I forgot what I was going to say. How many times have I said this? Oh, this table. Let's start over. Let's go again. Okay. I am Flay Fount. Let's start over. Start over. So the Westa, phone's on. I don't want that on right now. Let me start over. All right. That was clumsy. All right. Okay.